This is a new update of the fourth axis project. This is a Tamagawa drive, servo drive. It has a 600 watt output. This is the robotic joint what I showed you on my previous video with the original servo, the Mavilo, and Harmonic drive is size 25, the reduction is 50, excuse me, and it's just adjusted to half RPM, 23 kilohertz, and it turns the servo turns 2500 RPM, and it's just awesome. And I can go up to 3000 RPM. This is 3000 RPM. Okay, and the green one, the green piece is the original robotic arm, the joint. Actually I had to make a plate for the chuck somewhere here. This is the next step, and then just build the entire equipment to my CNC machine. Thank you for your watching. Thank you. You take your time to watch this video. Please thumb up if you like this video. Please thumb down if you don't. Thanks. Bye.